Hi, my name is James. I'm a senior instructor with Apex GMAT. We're going to look at a simple geometry absolute value problem. On the number line, the shaded interval is the graph of which of the following inequalities? Absolute value of x is less than or equal to 4. Absolute x is less than or equal to 8. Absolute x minus 2 is less than or equal to 4. Absolute x minus 2 is less than or equal to 6. Absolute x plus 2 is less than or equal to 6. You can think of the absolute value of a number by itself, say absolute x, as being the distance from x to 0. Similarly, you can think of the absolute value of x minus 1 as being the distance from x to 1. So in this case, we see that the shaded region is -4 all the way up to +8. That's a distance of 12 total. The midpoint there is +2, and we know that the distance has to be less than or equal to 6 from that +2. So the size of our interval here is 12. How do we know that? We're running from -4 up to +8. 8 minus -4 is 12. The length of this interval is 12, so the midpoint has to be 6 units from both endpoints. So 8 minus 6 is 2. Similarly, -4 plus 6 is 2. That's the center point. Anything that's within 6 units of 2 is in this interval. So absolute value of x minus 2 is less than or equal to 6.